Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I have built this electrostatic precipitator, so I will show it to you and explain how it works. Electrostatic precipitators are used in order to remove smoke particles from industry processes. The electrostatic precipitator is a very simple device. It is just a pair of electrodes and you apply a high voltage between them. So this is one of the two electrodes. It is a plastic film and I glued some tape, copper tape, onto the plastic film. This is the tape that I used. You can use other conducting material. It doesn't have to be copper. You can simply use, for example, aluminum foil from your kitchen and roll it into a cylinder like this. This will be one of the electrodes, and the other electrode goes in the middle of the cylinder. This is the other electrode. Of course, it has to be conductive. You can use copper wire, but I will use this, which is simply a bicycle spoke. Okay, here it is. We have the cylinder that we made with the copper tape, and in the middle the conductive wire, the bicycle spoke. You can see here there is nothing inside, and everything is mounted on this wooden base. So we only need to apply a high voltage between the two electrodes, and we will do that with this small high voltage power supply that can provide a maximum voltage of around 10,000 volts. For the effect to appear in the electrostatic precipitator, we need more than 5,000 volts. So let's see. Okay, I have everything connected, the high voltage power supply to the electrodes of the precipitator, and I have my laptop in the back so that the black surface permits to see the smoke better. I will produce the smoke with this incense. So I will put it here below so that the smoke goes in the top of the precipitator. You can see how the smoke is coming out from the top of the precipitator. Now I'm going to turn on the high voltage, and there you can see that no smoke is coming out. Now I'm going to turn it off, and again the smoke is flowing. Let me turn it on again, and no smoke. Okay, the precipitator works as expected, but what is the working principle? The way in which the precipitator works is very simple. We have the central wire, which is positive, and surrounding the wire we have the cylinder, which is connected to the negative terminal of the high voltage power supply. Now imagine a particle of smoke. Due to the very high electric field that exists in this region, the electrons from the particle will be attracted by the positive terminal. So without electrons, the particle is now positively charged, and since it is positive, the particle will be attracted to the negative terminal. So in this way, the smoke particles move and adhere to the surface of the cylinder, and they will not come out at the top of the precipitator. Okay, there you have it, a prototype and the explanation of how an electrostatic precipitator works. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for visiting my channel, and see you in the next one.